Did you know that Babylon was one of the wealthiest civilizations in history? It was famous for its wealth and fortune, not only because the king was wealthy, but also its people. The king, as well as the people living there, enjoyed abundant personal wealth. And a poor Babylonian person was very rare. So, what exactly was their secret to their wealth and prosperity? How did they become so abundant? Did they know about the law of attraction and the universal truth? All your questions will be answered, so keep watching this video till the end. Babylonia was a state in ancient Mesopotamia, founded about 4,000 years ago, and its ruins are currently located in present day Iraq. The Babylonians were so rich because they had the perfect mindset to attract more and more and more of the wealth. Although they used some basic financial habits like saving, not spending too much, or investing in assets, but they did something really extraordinary, and that was their ultimate secret. What was their secret? It was start thy purse to fattening. This is something they used, each one of them, that helped them attract wealth. If I say in simpler terms, they basically created a money magnet. This particular phrase, start thy purse to fattening, actually meant gradually growing the purse or the wallet with money. Basically, what they did was they would tie a purse to their waist and transfer 10% of their earnings regularly to that particular purse. That was termed as their personal wealth, and they never ever used it for any other purpose. It was not really their savings, and it was not to be used for purchasing anything. It was simply to be tied up to their waist. And the basic purpose of doing this thing was to attract money using that purse, because that purse with the money in that was their money magnet, and they used it to attract more wealth, more money, more prosperity in their lives. It was kind of an assurance for the owner that he is financially sound. Now, you must be wondering that if they kept on adding 10% of their earnings regularly to that purse tied to their waist, then didn't it get heavy? Yes, it did. So, what they did was, whenever this purse got very fat, very heavy, they would transfer the surplus to another big savings chest, or maybe they would invest in some kind of asset. But more or less, they would still keep a certain amount of money tied to their waist. And the wealthier a person was, they would prefer keeping that purse as fat as possible. The purpose of having this particular purse, this particular method, was to have some kind of a proof of their personal wealth, of their prosperity. They could see their wealth, they could see their prosperity. And what happens when a person sees and gets a proof of something? His or her belief system gets stronger, stronger, and stronger in that thing. Like you are watching law of attraction videos. I'm sure you have some on the other time got a proof that law of attraction works. It is the universal truth. It is something out there. And that is why you watch these videos, to learn more about it, right? Because you got some kind of a proof, you know that law of attraction is something real, and your belief in this has got stronger, and that is why you keep getting more proofs that the law of attraction works. Similarly, these people used to keep the money with them they used to see every single day. Maybe some of them used to count the money, and they used to feel safe and secure about their financial condition. And that helped them to attract more and more of that wealth. Well, taking inspiration from the Babylonians, I too have created my own money magnet. So I'm using this particular purse to keep some amount of money as a proof of wealth. So there is this 100 rupee note, and I am going to keep it inside this particular purse. So why don't you try this technique out as well? Keep aside some portion of the money with you into this particular purse. It can be anything, any cloth, any purse, any wallet, but remember, make it a little special because you are creating a money magnet. It should feel like this is going to help you attract more wealth, more money. This will not only inculcate a habit of saving in you, but it will also create a proof of your wealth, your personal wealth and prosperity. And remember, this is not your savings, and this money is not going into your investments too. You are simply creating a money magnet, and this will help you acquire more and more of your wealth. And when you look at it every single day, when you count the cash, feel it in your hands, you'll feel that yes, you are attracting more wealth and prosperity in your life, and you will never feel the lack of it. Here's an opportunity. If you have any story to share, any law of attraction success story, definitely share it with me. Here's the email ID, and we will feature you in our next video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel because I want to share many interesting stories with you. So I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.